everyone, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do a simple database search at Craven Community College. The first thing we will need to do is navigate to the library website. From the Craven Community College homepage, click on Attending Craven. Under Support Services, you will click on Library. Now you have reached the library homepage. Once you are on our homepage, you will see a search box here in the middle. We call this our One Search box because it searches all of the databases that we subscribe to at one time. Let's do a search on sharks. Here we have our results page. In order to narrow down our results, we will use the filters on the left side of the screen. I recommend always checking full text online. This ensures that you have full access to whichever result you want to view. If you are doing research for an assignment, you will probably also want to select scholarly and peer-reviewed. This limits your results to only information that fills that criteria. Sometimes instructors will indicate that the research must be within a certain time frame. You can use this filter here to select that information. Lastly, the databases hold many different types of resources. We're going to look specifically at journal articles. Before we dive into the results, let's look at the right side of the screen. The first thing you will see is the Ask a Librarian chat box. This chat is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. During normal working hours, you will connect with one of the librarians at Craven Community College Library. Outside of working hours, you will be connected with a certified librarian somewhere else in the United States. Either way, the individual you chat with will be able to help you with your search questions. Just under the chat box is both contact information for the library and contact information for the student help desk should you need additional assistance. Lastly, in the column on the right-hand side, there is additional information regarding the terms you have searched. Here, you can see the encyclopedia entry for shark, which gives you basic information on the topic. And below that are related topics. If your original search does not provide sufficient results, you can always look at the related topics for other search terms you might use. Let's take a closer look at a specific article so I can point out a few things. Here you see the author's name. If you read this article and decide you really like what the author has to say, you can simply click on their name and it will put everything in our databases that is written by that particular author. Here we have the Quick Look button. If we click on that, we get a pop-up containing the full abstract of the article. The abstract is essentially a summary of the article that can help you determine if it is useful before you read the whole thing. Also in the Quick Look section, you will find a list of subjects. These are all the things that are discussed or mentioned within that particular journal article. And lastly, in the Quick Look section is record information. This includes the journal information where the article was first printed, as well as the date of publication and other information. Back to the main view of the record, let's take a look at the symbols on the top right. The symbol that looks like a chain is what we refer to as a permalink. This is a permanent link that will refer back to this particular article regardless of any changes made by the database on the back end. We always recommend that you use this link when you are bookmarking your work. Another important feature is what you find here with the quotation mark symbol. Clicking this symbol brings up a menu that helps you generate a citation for that particular article. You can choose from a number of citation formats, but let's look at APA for this one. We'll choose APA from the drop-down menu, and there you have your APA citation. You can copy and paste that into your assignment, and you're all set. I do recommend double checking it just to be sure, but that's definitely easier than starting from scratch. And most importantly, to view the article, you can click on the title of the article or go ahead and have it in PDF format. You can simply click on the PDF button. Accept the terms, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.